Hi everyone, I'm Cheyenne Philpott, and I just want to tell you a little bit about myself. So this is my family, this is my mom, and this is my sister Miranda, this is Maddie Sue, this is my stepmom, and this is my daddy, this is Gracie, this is Emma, and this is my boyfriend Ty. He's a little camera shy. These are some of the critters I loved from my zoology class, and I love Snapchat if you can't tell. So let's just get right into it. I want to teach either biology. I want to teach one of these three subjects. I love biology. It's my passion. It's where I want to end up, no matter what. But I know it's hard to land those jobs because once teachers get there, that's where they stay because it's so great. So my other options are chemistry or history. I don't know what I'm going to major in right now. I'm going to double. Chemistry is an option, or anthropology. Anthropology will help me teach you world history, histories of civilizations, stuff like that. I want to teach because of these two amazing people. Faith Gottney was my 10th grade biology teacher, and Matt Shepard was my 10th grade world history teacher. Faith taught me because I wanted to learn. She was great at teaching if you were interested. Mr. Shepard taught me how to teach because he was able to teach the students that didn't even want to learn. So my negative moment in my education was 9th grade algebra. Well, really, it was 10th grade when I learned that I didn't learn anything in 9th grade, but I got into algebra 2, and all we did was color by numbers. Like, it was the simple stuff. 2x plus 5 equals, and you had to solve that little problem to get an answer, and then you would color it a certain color. That's all we did the whole year because my teacher didn't care. He was a football coach. That taught me we needed more teachers out in the world. So my positive moment was I had a bunch. I never had a bad science teacher. From 7th grade on, they were awesome. 7th grade, I learned about stuff I was interested in. 8th and 9th grade, I had the same teacher. He was awesome. He was hard, but he taught me. 10th grade, I had Faith, and she was amazing. Not only was she the biology teacher, she taught chemistry as well, so she was able to help me in that. And then I had her in 10th or in 11th grade for chemistry and AP biology. She was amazing. And she was even able to help me with physics when I got into my senior year and took that class. My hopes for this class is I want to learn how to be more structured in what I'm doing. I would also like to speak better because it's obvious I get stressed out and I have no idea what I'm talking about when I start talking. It's hard with me. But I also would like to learn different teaching styles because I have two little sisters and I can teach one amazingly, but the other one, it's harder, and I don't know where to go. I get a little stressed out. Eventually I can get there, but it's hard. Thank y'all for watching my presentation. Here's a few pictures for you to enjoy. This is my stepdad right here. This is where I work at Texas Roadhouse. Thank you.